The mighty mount MagSwitch Qi2 car charger combines a strong magnetic mount with fast wireless charging, making it ideal for daily commuters who rely on their phone for navigation. Its built-in power switch lets you easily stop charging when the battery is topped up, which helps reduce unnecessary heat and long-term battery wear. The N52 grade magnets and sturdy amp-style base keep the phone firmly in place even on bumpy roads, while the ventilation design helps carry heat away during longer drives. Qi2 certified 15-watt output delivers noticeably quicker top-ups than older wireless mounts, especially with recent iPhone and Samsung models that support magnetic charging. The fully adjustable ball joint allows smooth rotation between portrait and landscape views, so you can fine-tune the angle for maps or calls without taking your eyes off the road for long. The package includes the magnetic ring, charging cable, and hardware you need, so installation is straightforward and you are not hunting for extra parts.